Hello guys, so here is Ducat Airdrop on Unisat, and if you are just getting to know about Unisat, this is a BTC wallet. It's used to farm any BTC related testnet or hold BTC. So Unisat is a BTC wallet. So to get started using Unisat, you need to download the wallet, either extension or you download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, as you can see from this Unisat IO. Hope you can see. So I'll be dropping this link in the description box of this video, the sign up link, the registration link, the testnet faucets link. So first thing first, have your Unisat wallet downloaded to your PC or Mrs. browser or wherever. So come to this unisat.io and connect the wallet that you have downloaded. It's just like creating any EVM wallet, like you create wallet, sign up, secure your face key and all of that. So after you must have done that, come to this site unisat.io. Then at the corner of this page you are saying connect. So I'm connecting the Unisat wallet that I've already downloaded, and I'll just continue. So I'll just sign in. So now I have my Unisat connected here, and to switch netting Bitcoin testnet, by default you might be saying Bitcoin mainnet or anything. Just click on this drop down arrow, select testnet, anyone you want to use from this, and you are good. Then come to this Ducat app. This is where to farm to start farming the airdrop. So on this Ducat app, you are seeing. So before I connect my wallet, I'm gonna do some network settings. Let me just go right into it. I try to refresh so that I can be sure I'm on the latest page. Okay, so I'll just click on these settings. I'll click on these settings. I say configure your network settings and guardian preferences. Network on Multynet, master ID, all of these things. Then I'll just click on save. So let's see the wallet connection before I can proceed to do the main task. Okay, now so to be able to connect your wallet on this Ducat Testnet, you have to come to your Unisat Airdrop and change your address to Taproot. You have to change it to Taproot for you to be able to receive this Multynet BTC. So how do you do that? Come to this Unisat. This is the logo of the Unisat wallet extension. Click on it. By default, the address is always on maybe Segwit or Bitcoin Testnet or whichever. So you need this Taproot. For you to know that you're on Taproot, you'll be seeing TB1 PT. If you're not on Taproot, you'll be seeing TB1Q, then maybe 8 or 10 or any number. But once you are seeing P, it means that you're on Taproot. So to change to Taproot, because by default it's not always on Taproot, come to these settings. If you open your Unisat wallet, come to settings. Then you see address type. Click on address type. And you are seeing different address type. You are seeing native Segwit, nested Segwit, Taproot, legacy, and all that. So this Taproot is what you need. You just click on Taproot and that's all. So once you're on Taproot address, then come to this Unisat Airdrop, the Unisat page to connect your wallet. After you must have connected your wallet, you are seeing Ducat Testnet upgraded. Click the button to receive Multynet BTC and start interacting. So initially I said you have to come here to request for faucets. No. You are not requesting the faucets here. You can only download the faucets you need for this Ducat. You are not getting it here. You can only download the extension or the app, the wallet app here. You are not requesting faucets from this Unisat. Please take note. So to request your faucet is still on this Ducat page. After you must have connected your wallet. The faucet, what I'm seeing initially, let me refresh it. Let me just disconnect so I can get the request to receive the faucet again, and I can confirm. So take notes so that you don't start looking for where to receive faucets. It's still on this same page you're coming to receive faucets. So you see it pops up back. So I can now click on receive Multynet BTC. We are sending Multynet coin to your wallet address. Have you seen that? So now after I've received the Multynet faucet, then I can proceed to start creating votes and doing all of those testnets. Okay, something went wrong. Let me check my wallet if it was received. It could be an error. Let me just refresh. Okay guys, I don't think they deposited the faucet in my wallet. I'll just try again, but let me just proceed with the explanation. I think the basic explanation is this connecting to Taproot, because I'm not gonna lie, it took me some time to figure that out. What I just explained in less than 1 minute took me some time to figure it out. That's it. So what you need to do next, if you receive the faucet, the Multynet coins, I'm sure it will drop later. I'll just give you some time. But what you need to do to farm the testnet is to click on this create votes, and you enter from the scale of 1 to 20. Let me do 5. Okay. Name your votes. Your name must be between the range of 1 to 20. Then I'll click on continue. The fee to open a vote are higher than your balance. I need that faucet to be able to pay for this fee. My balance is showing 0. That means I have to continue requesting for that faucet till I'm able to get it. So adebin, I have the balance now. This preview will be active. Then I'll click on preview and I'll confirm it, and that's all. So after I preview, I've created a vote like that. It means I've just created a vote. So what I need to do here is to continue checking the faucet to log out, log in, log out, log in, so that I can see the faucet to claim. So the higher your username, like the name you selected, the more gas you pay. The higher your username, the more gas you pay. That's how it works. So after that, they also have this Galxe tax. This is social tax. For those that already have an account on Galxe, if you are already farming testnet, you should know what I'm talking about. So this is the Galxe tax. I'll drop the link here. And the quiz answers and questions. So the quiz answers and questions will be dropped. Where's the quiz? Where's the quiz? Where's the quiz? I think they have a quiz here. I'll just drop the quiz answer and question in the description box of this video too. So all of this Galxe tax is social tax, monthly check-in, daily check-in, weekly visits, community updates, visit general chats, Discord, join Ducat community level up, visit channel, visit vote faction. As a way I saw quiz. I saw quiz here. So I'm just gonna drop the link, the quiz answers, so that we don't waste too much time on this. You can see the quiz later. So also, once you create that vote, you can use you can borrow. You enter a scale for your deposit and borrow. Like after creating this vote, you see where to borrow and where to deposit. So I don't know what's going on. Why are they not sending me this faucet? so I can show you the thing. But once we create the votes, is a straightforward thing. I've just explained the tedious part of this airdrop, which is connecting to the right wallet. So the moment you create the votes, you'll be able to borrow. You'll be able to deposit, then borrow. Just a click of button. You see deposit, you see borrow. Click on it and follow the prompts. And also proceed to do the Galxe tax. That's how this Ducat works. They still haven't sent me the faucets. Then I'll just keep trying till I'm able to get this. So without that, I will not be able to deposit part of the faucets that I have. Then borrow, use it as collateral to borrow. If you are familiar with Testnet, you should understand what I'm saying already. So these liquidations, let's see what they have under the liquidation. I want to see. Okay, liquidation coming soon. We are going to launch this section very soon where you can have full access. Okay. Then the governance is where you'll be able to vote. Governance too coming soon. And quanta. Let's see the mission. Next. Complete mission and collect quanta. Experience. Alright, to get started with this and quanta, you enter the invite code. Check the invite code in the description box of this video. You enter the invite code, then you register. Then come to these missions. The first leap. So under this mission, you are seeing each of these tasks that you have to complete to earn this quanta. Remember to sign up, input the registration code. Check the code in the description box of this video. Enter the registration code, then click on register. Then once you click on register, you click on that on the link, on the start any quanta, and you have the first leap, connect your socials. If I click on see mission here, I'll see where to connect my Discord, my Twitter, and all of that. So it's almost the same thing like doing the Galxe tax, this particular one, this Galxe tax. So make sure the same socials you are connecting here on this Galxe tax is what you are connecting from their home. So I don't know why the mission is failed, is failing. Okay, let's see. So I'm trying to explain what you need to do here. By the time you are seeing this video, the site might have been okay or something. So we don't waste too much of time. So here you already see connect your socials. So the number 2 foundation set, explore, interact, and take your step within the platform. By engaging with key features, you will earn points and start unlocking true potential. Let's see what they have here. Okay, here open votes, borrow units, repay units, deposit BTC. So if you complete that vote creating, then come back to this foundation tax to earn these points. If you complete that vote that I'm looking for the first set to claim, come back to this foundation tax to earn these votes. So that is what you need to do here. This is the testnet tax. Other tax are social tax. The main tax is create votes, borrow units, then repay and deposit BTC. Oh my God, withdraw. These are testnet, the testnet tax, and I hope you guys can do that. If you're already familiar with Testnet, you should be able to figure that out. This one is social tax, retweet, like, spread the word, and all of that. So guys, this is how to complete the Ducat Testnet airdrop. I hope with my explanation, you can get started on this and complete it. Check all links in the description box of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.